the Concise RDWorks Learning Lab with Russ Sadler. Session 9, Mirrors.
Welcome to today's session. Now look, I'm determined to get into the picture somehow, and today's session is all about these things here. Mirrors. Now mirrors are a very ignored subject. You put them in your machine, they reflect the beam around the machine, and you really don't think about them very much. This is not a laboratory machine. We do not need laboratory quality mirrors for this machine, despite what some people are trying to sell you. We're trying to take the mystery out of mirrors today and give you my practical experience where I have played with lots of mirrors, as you will see. I'm not interested in what the science says. I'm interested in what my practical demonstrations of power in and power out. I've worked out the power losses across each mirror, and they don't agree with the scientific data that you can see in books. But let's just have a look at some mirrors to start with, and I'll try and explain some of the differences that you can get